In this video, I'm gonna show you how to shoot the FBI qualification drill. Let's do it. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection Training, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. If you haven't yet, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below so that we can get this content past the algorithm. YouTube isn't crazy about gun stuff. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shoot the FBI qualification drill. And don't worry, even though it may sound kind of intimidating, it's actually a pretty easy drill. Now, that doesn't mean if you've never practiced from the holster before or never taken a shot from 25 yards that it's not going to be challenging, but I would definitely consider this drill a beginner level drill. This is for the FBI to take new shooters who were just hired to give them a minimum standard in order to carry a gun. This video is sponsored by Eclipse Holsters. Eclipse Holsters has truly changed the way we shop for holsters forever. Their holsters are completely customizable with a ton of different patterns, colors, and belt clips, and even custom aluminum washers. They meet all of my holster safety requirements, and they are custom made right here in America. The best part is that your holster will ship within just 3 days. Quality custom holsters, 0 wait time, and a lifetime guarantee. Check them out at eclipseholsters.com. For this drill, you're gonna need the FBI qualification target. I got mine at bakertargets.com. On there, it's called the QT target. Check them out at bakertargets.com. The passing score for this drill is an 80. So since we're shooting 50 rounds, any miss outside the silhouette is down 2 points.
Just do me one favor.
What's that?
Don't miss.
This drill is going to be shot from 5 different positions, but it's really simple. You don't need to be a speed demon, you just need to move with purpose and get your hits. So let's do it. The first stage is starting out at 3 yards, and you're just going to draw and fire 3 with your dominant hand, switch to the non-dominant hand, and fire 3 more. And you have 6 seconds to do this in. Had a big old fumble with my shirt, but I just went with it. Plenty of time. That was in 5-2-7. The next is going to start at the 5-yard line, and you're just going to draw and fire 3 rounds in 3 seconds. That was in 1-8-9. 1-8-9. The next one, we're going to stay at the 5-yard line, and we're going to go from the low ready, and you're going to come up and fire 3 rounds in 2 seconds. 105. 3 rounds in 105. Sounds harder than it is. The next one is going to be from the low ready, and you're going to come up and fire 6 rounds in 4 seconds. 186. Now we're going to move back to 7 yards. And this one is going to be draw and fire 5 in 5 seconds. The next one is from a low ready, and we're going to come up and fire 4, do an emergency reload, and fire 4 more in 8 seconds. 5-5-3. Now from the low ready, we're going to come up and fire 5 rounds in 4 seconds. That was a 215. Before we get to the next one, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find a better way to conceal, then I want to give you something that will really help you out, and that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything that I wish I knew when I started carrying a gun, and I want to give it to you for free. Make sure you check that out in the description down below. For the next one, we're back at the 15-yard line, and this one you're going to draw and fire 3 in 6 seconds. Cows wanted to see what was going on. Just chilling. The next one is from the low ready, so you're just going to come up and fire 3 rounds in 5 seconds. Was in 269. This next one, we're all the way back at the 25-yard line. Don't worry, there's only 1 stage, and it's really simple. And they give you a ton of time. From the holster, you're gonna draw and fire 4 rounds from a standing position, drop to a kneeling position, and fire 4 more rounds. But you have 20 seconds to do it in. So take your time and get your hits. Was in 1540. So there you go, guys. 100 out of 100, no misses. Still very much within the time frame for all of them. Had a few like bad fumbles with my shirt and just went with it. Not a super challenging drill, but if you're a beginner or you're just starting out and you want a standard, best place to start right here. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.